Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. The project we're going to talk about in this video is called Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. This is a very well established project and you're going to see how. It is I would say a utility tool for the BRC20 tokens and altcoins, which basically allows and enables hundreds of high quality projects to use their tokens within this gaming platform. Now, the utility here is very well and good. It is very solid, very well established. Now, our objective here is to evaluate their token, the SKO token, Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. Now, we'll be getting more information about it because it is expected to do a 20x. Now, that is a very huge claim, and I do understand that. And in this video, I'm going to give my reasons why it is possible for this project to do a 20x. We'll compare the current market cap with the expected market cap and why that expected market cap is actually expected. What reasons do we have to believe that the market cap is expected to be achieved? So all that will be covered in this video. Make sure that you watch till the end. I'll give you guys all the links. That'll be in the description. So make sure that you get those from there. Now with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now this is the official website of Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. We'll get more information about it from here. We can go over to their documents, to their white paper, which gives us more information. It says play with any altcoin and BRC20 tokens. Sugar Kingdom is the only gaming platform in which projects from all blockchains can bring direct utility to their tokens by playing games. Now, what I really like about this is it is backed by so many partners, by a strong team. The backing here, it is massive. And that assures that this is a solid project. It cannot just run off because all the partners that they have, they're putting their reputation online for this. If at some point one of the partners turns out to be a scam, it dereputates all the partners, the rest of the partners. So no one wants to take this kind of risk. And when you have partners as many as this, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit, we'll talk about the team and the advisors as well. It is absolutely massive. So these are all the partners that we have. Even with small icons, they're barely fitting the page. This is how many partners that they have, which shows that they are very well established. They have more than 20 leading venture capital investors and backers that trust this platform. They are also launching with one of the best launch pads in the ecosystem and the biggest project that will be listed on the platform. Now you can take a look at the list here in their partners. You may be able to recognize most of these because, well, they are actually very known and famous. Now, another thing that is really important, it is marketing. It is promotion, because we know the factor of hype that has much to do in crypto. Now, I did get my hands on one of their spreadsheets, which gives us complete information about all the influencers who are talking about this, who are promoting this, who they have collaborated with. So the list is actually very massive. So this is the spreadsheet. First of all, we have all the Twitter and the Telegram influencers and the tweets that they have made, which are right here. Now, all these, they have thousands and hundreds of thousands of followers in all these places. Now we can go down and we can get more and more. The list, as I said, it keeps going forward. We still have a lot of Twitter and Discord and Telegram influencers who have shared posts about Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. You can see it keeps on going. We're at there's more than 150 right now. That is from the Twitter and the Telegram Discord alone. Okay, so we have around about 250 posts and influencers on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord who have already posted about Sugar Kingdom Odyssey. And then we have the YouTube influencers, which it starts right here. Again, they also have thousands of followers. They already have made video on it. Then we have some from the Instagram as well. And then we have more Twitter, more YouTube, and then more Twitter. So we have a lot from the Twitter and YouTube Okay, so in total, we have about 798 entries, which include YouTube videos, which include Twitter posts, which include Telegram posts in groups, Discord posts in channels, which is absolutely massive. I didn't even know there would be this many influencers on all this social media, but here we have it. This is one of the most, widely pushed platform and project. So it is being heavily marketed. Well, they have a very strong backing. They have a lot of funds in the marketing. So of course they are pushing it, which eventually will lead to high exposure, which eventually will lead to high appreciation in value. Now, if we talk about the tokenomics, which we do have a spreadsheet right here, you can get the link to this from their website. We have a market cap of 400,000 USDT. Now 400,000 USDT, which although is still a decent market cap for a new startup, but still for a project that is being, as heavily marketed as this one, who has a strong backing and a strong utility and a whole line of strong backing from investors, this market cap is very, very minimal. It is expected to be, after doing some competitive analysis and saying what other similar projects have been able to achieve with much less resources, is about $8 million market cap. Now, this is a minimum that is expected using the competitor analysis. But even if it does reach 8 million, because seeing how the market is performing, we are in a bull run, people are greedy. The greed index is actually sitting at 80, which represents extremely greedy. So seeing that we are in this bull run, it is very easily possible that it will be reaching $8 million market cap. And when it does, compared to what we have right now, that is an easy 20x. You cannot be more guaranteed or assured of returns more than this. So this is a definite low cap gem that is expected to take off, and people will be able to benefit a lot from this. Now, in the tokenomics section, just to make sure that there's not huge dumps, we have allocations with vesting on them. So to make sure that the price, it doesn't just drop drastically, people are able to generate returns, and they're also they can keep on continuing to be part of the project. So we have all the information on their tokenomics. Then for those who want more information, you have it on their documents, which is right here. Now they have done a smart contract audit, which we can get from right here. They have done it from the Source Hat, a very reputable and known firm that provides the service. Now here are the token details. We have a total supply of 100,000, which is not really. We have a total supply of 100 million, which is not really a lot. The type is BEP20 and BRC20. The chain is Binance Smart Chain and Bitcoin. The launch date is 2nd of April, which is very, very soon. And the initial market cap is 401,400 USDT. So this project is definitely going to take off. You have all the information right here about the partners, the investors. Then we have the team. It is absolutely massive and crazy, and you will be thanking me afterwards when you do get into it and generate returns. When that happens, I'll let you know in the comments, in the post, maybe push out a few shorts letting people know, the ones who missed the opportunity. So don't be one of those people who did miss this opportunity. It is completely safe, secure, a very strongly backed project, which is not easy to find. I'll get you guys all the links. I'll be in the description, so make sure that you use those and study this. In the end, it'll be up to you. I'm not giving any financial or investment advice, so make sure that you do your own investigation and research. And I'll highly appreciate it if you can like this video, subscribe, comment anything that you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.